Are you done?
Not yet.
When will you finish it?
Give me 10 more minutes, please.
Tell me when you're done, okay?
Sure, I will.
Who owns this land?
The owner is no longer here. Anything?
Nothing. I was just checking.
All right, I got it.
This bag belongs to who?
I think it belongs to Linda.
Is this for you?
No, it's not. It's for Mark.
Whose book is this?
That's mine.
What's happening?
This little girl started shouting for no apparent reason.
Have you found out why?
We are trying to do so, but she won't let us.
Do you read regularly?
Not quite often.
What types of books do you read?
I read science fiction and psychology books.
Do you mind if I open the windows?
Sure, make yourself comfortable.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go shopping and do the washing.
Can you pick me up at the station?
All right, at what time?
What time will you be free?
I will be free at 9:40.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, at 10:30.
There's plenty of food. Do you want some more?
Yes, I do. Let me have some.
Where is my phone?
I guess it's on the table.
What is the name of your cat?
She is called Sasha.
Do you think Mike is married?
Yes, he is.
Can you turn off the television?
Willingly.
When did it all start?
It started right from university.
What's the weather like?
It's hot and windy.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the grocery store.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to see a doctor, then go to a friend.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
How much is this dress?
It's $30.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly.
Do you need anything else?
No, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll take pasta.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good, thanks.
How long have you been waiting?
About 10 minutes.
Have you ever been to Canada?
Yes, I've been there twice.
What does she look like?
She is pretty.
Did you go anywhere before going to school?
No, I went straight to school.
Can you play the piano?
Of course.
Can I borrow your bag?
No problem, but I will need it next Monday.
What is the date today?
It's December 18th.
How's business doing?
Pretty well.
How was your sleep?
It was not too good. I found a snake in my bedroom.
Do you understand the text?
Yes, I understand it perfectly.
Can you pass the salt?
Sure.
Are these chickens yours?
No, they are not. They are my brother's.
How do you spend your free time?
I spend them chatting with friends.
Why did you quit your job?
Because I didn't like it anymore.
Do we need to bring our exercise books?
It won't be necessary.
May I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
What is your favorite food?
I like chicken salad.
How often do you ride the bus?
Almost every day.
How tall are you?
I'm 6.3 feet.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
When did you buy your phone?
I bought it a week ago.
What time does the shop open?
It opens at 9 a.m.